Good morning everyone. My name is Saxena and I am teaching in Aster International as TGT English teacher. I am going to take your online classes of English literature and I hope under my guidance you all will be able to study better, and in case of any query you can always feel free to contact me. Thank you. Before starting the chapter, I have a small warm-up question for all the students watching this video. To all my little ones, my question is, what is your relationship with your grandfather and grandmother? And please share your memories, your sweet memories that you had with your grandfather. So when you watch this video, you're going to answer the warm-up question first. Thank you. Good morning children. Today we are going to start the first chapter of English literature, which is Grandfather's House. So now, before starting the chapter, I would like you all to know about the main characters. The first main character is grandfather. The second main character is Heidi. She is a small girl who is an orphan. Orphan means she doesn't have father and she doesn't have mother. The third important character is Aunt Date. She is the daughter of this grandfather. Now this grandfather, he lives in the high mountains of Alps. A-L-P-S. Alps. Now he is living alone. He has a house and he lives alone. Now Aunt Date takes this girl Heidi to meet his grandfather. She has never met grandfather before. This will be the first time that she will be meeting grandfather. Now when Heidi reaches grandfather's house, she is very happy to meet him and both of them are enjoying each other's company. Grandfather sits on a wooden table. He's sitting on a wooden table outside their house and Heidi is just exploring. She's moving here and there. So what does she find? She finds a big room, and when she enters that room is empty. That room is called the goat room, where the goats are kept. Now she comes out of that room, she starts moving here and there again. Then she finds out that there are big, huge fir trees. Fir trees are the trees that have prickly needles. Prickly as in pointed needles. So when the wind is blowing through those pointed leaves, there is a noise that is created. So she is enjoying that sound produced by the prickly leaves. Now when she has seen everything outside, she goes to his grandfather and asks him a question. Grandfather, I want to see what is inside your house. What is there inside? So now grandfather tells Heidi, come with me inside, I will show you how my house looks like. Now when Heidi enters the house, she finds out that there is a big fireplace at one side of the house. At the other side there is a room, and when she enters that room, she finds out that it is a bigger room. There is a bed, there is a cupboard, there are bowls, there is everything that is important. And in that cupboard, which is in the room, the grandfather put the clothes and food of Heidi. Now when Heidi checks the room, a question comes in her mind. She asks her grandfather, your room is very nice, but where will I sleep? So now the grandfather tells Heidi, wherever you want, wherever place you find, you can sleep there. So now Heidi comes out of the room and starts to find a place to sleep. Now she finds that there is a stair in the corner. She climbs up the stair and again there is a small room, and in that room there is all hay. Hay here means grass. All grass on the floor. Why there is grass in the room? Because grandfather has two goats and those two goats eat that grass. Now Heidi finds that place very nice. She tells her grandfather, grandfather, this is the best place that I am going to sleep. But there is a problem. I don't have a bed sheet. I need a sheet. So can you please give me one sheet? Grandfather tells Heidi that I will give you the sheet. But before sleeping, don't you think we should have some food? Heidi says yes. So now we shall go down and have some food together. Now there is a big table kept, there is a big chair downstairs. Grandfather sits comfortably, but Heidi faces a problem because she is too small. She cannot climb that chair. So grandfather picks her up and makes her sit on his own chair. Now Daddy is enjoying the cheese that is put in a golden brown bowl. She is enjoying that cheese, and finally grandfather tells him that once you eat your food, your night dress is kept in the cupboard, wear it and sleep. Now while she is going to sleep, she hears some noises, and she asks her grandfather, where is this noise coming from? So the grandfather tells him that we have two goats. One goat is Noi, name of the one goat is Noi, and name of the other goat is Brownie. These are our two goats. So if you sleep properly, tomorrow maybe you can go with them to the mountain. So now the grandfather tells Heidi that there is a boy named Peter. There is a boy named Peter who is 11 years old. He takes these goats along with his goats to the mountain. So if you sleep properly, if you sleep on time, tomorrow do you want to go with him? Now Heidi becomes very happy. She said, yes, I would like to go with Peter and with his two goats. Thank you.